It's not all fry-ups here. They have fresh fruit too.
And sausages.
Premier Travel Inn.
We all live for the weekends, don't we? Whether they're long ones, quiet ones, or big ones. However good your weekend, make it better with a 24-hour reception, hundreds of city locations, and king-size beds without the king-size prices. From just £29, make your weekend a Premier weekend. Premier Inn. Everything's Premier, but the price. Ah, the trusty old suitcase. Sure, the zip doesn't work, but who cares? There are other things to worry about, like booking a hotel. We've all been there.
It had positive reviews.
And plans?
Good thing for flexi booking, eh, girl?
Well, they change, right? Sometimes it's reassuring to know exactly what you're getting. So why not skip and get straight to a place where people are happy to greet you.
Welcome.
A clean, comfy room every time.
No cats.
And as much brekkie as you can handle. So family trip without the faff. Work away without the worry. And get out there. From booking to bed, we're here to help you rest easy. Premier Inn. Rest easy.